Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 4. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. Suppose we are writing in this way, that is in in one box, one box there are 50 mangoes. There are 50 mangoes. In one box there are 50 mangoes, right? In two boxes, in two boxes there are there are 50 into two mangoes. In three boxes there are 50 into three mangoes. In B boxes there are 50 B mangoes, where where 50 is the constant, 50 is the constant, and B is the number of boxes, number of boxes, number of boxes, right? This is the solution of question number 4, exercise 11.1, right?